Open drawing here, I'll give you a little description of this combination. It's got AFR heads on it. It's got EFI. It's got the new Holley manifold on it. Throttle body, Terminator X system, great. It's got one of our custom ground camshafts, CVF front end on it. Make sure the alternator charged for you. Take you in and show you around. Alrighty, down to 3,500, it's 387 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 408, good and flat there. Peaks horsepower 480. So rate at 500, front end's about 20, 25. So everything's good. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.